Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Beauty and Lifestyle. Today we are going to show you the ultimate guide on how to clean copper bottle and other item. Copper has been used for centuries due to its numerous health benefits and aesthetic appeal, but over time it can tarnish and lose its shine. So let's bring back that sparkle to your copper item. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and let's get started. First, let's gather all the material we will need for this cleaning process. You will need a soft sponge and a small bowl and white vinegar, salt, baking soda, and lemon. Now that we have everything, let's move on to the cleaning process. Mix equal parts of white vinegar and salt in a small bowl. This will create a natural cleaning solution for your copper item. Dip the soft cloth or sponge into the solution and gently rub it onto the surface of the copper bottle. Make sure to cover all areas, especially those with visible tarnish. If the tarnish is stubborn, you can create a paste by mixing baking soda and lemon juice. Apply this paste to the tarnished area and let it sit for a few minutes before scrubbing gently with the cloths or sponge. Rinse the copper bottle thoroughly with warm water to remove any residue from the cleaning solution or paste. Dry the copper bottle completely with a soft and clean cloth to prevent water spot and bring out the shine. Process of cleaning other copper item is similar to that of copper bottles. Just follow these steps, and there you have it. Your copper bottle and item should now be clean and shiny. Remember. So that's it for this video. I really hope you enjoy it and learned something new. If you did, please give a thumbs up and leave a comment down below letting me know what you thought. As always, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. Thank you for watching my video, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.